Tesla drivers are left unable to start their cars after outage.
Did this happen to you?
Not at all.
Okay.
When was this?
So it's a really small group of people. I think it was like around 500 who reported it. But it happened on Friday night.
Dozens of owners posted on social media about seeing an error message on the mobile app that was preventing them from connecting to their vehicles. Well, this is one of the things that makes me a little bit scared is the reliance on the phone to manage the car.
Yes.
Because obviously there can be an issue there.
But there's other ways to unlock
Well,
the
I
car.
keep the card in my wallet,
Yes.
so that's a good backup. But I think probably a lot of people get used to the phone working every time, and they're just like, "Oh, I don't need anything else." And I'm not sure if that would have even solved the issue. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk. Did they have to call him chief executive? They could have just said, everyone knows who Elon Musk is. They could just start that pair. I think they need to hit a certain number of words. What is this, BBC? Yeah, they're like, Tesla chief executive.
It's like doing your homework. You have to like max a level of number of words.
Elon Musk personally responded to one complaint from a driver in South Korea saying, checking in quotations. Mr. Musk later said the app was coming back online and Tesla app is used as a key. Yeah. Well, this never happened to me. He says 500 users reported an error. It was at 1640 ET.
Yeah.
That's military time, baby. According to the outage tracking site Down Detector, 5 hours later, there were just 60 reports. Apologies. We will take measures to ensure this doesn't happen again, Mr. Musk tweeted. Yeah, it never happened to me. Although I will say I have the key fobs. They gave me 2 key fobs, and I never use them. I've never programmed them. I don't even use them. I have the phone, which has been rock solid for me. And then when I had like the tints put on the car and stuff like that, then I had just give them the card.
Right. So there's 3 ways to get in.
Yeah, you can
start.
You get a fob that most people don't even use.
Yeah.
And then you have the key card, which looks like you're about to unlock a hotel room. And then you have your phone.
Yeah.
And the phone is the best way because the phone is always on you, and it has obviously extra features for managing the car, heating it up, cooling it down, summoning it, although that's a bit of a thing. Anyway.
Yeah, this is just like a little, I don't know, story about just unfortunate problem.
No, but it does
Teslas
expose
and technology in general.
Yeah, it does expose a thing. Like, what if the whole system was down? How many people could be trapped?
Yeah.
Stranded, they can't get in their car. If you can't unlock it.
There's like a reliance there. But also there's other ways to like unlock and start the car.
Yeah. There's a lot of things like that. Like, for example, when you refill with gas, there's no mechanical lock that keeps the gasoline pump connected to your car. This has a lock.
Yeah.
And obviously there's some safety systems in place to manage it. But like, there's been moments where I'm like, is that... Well, I would be at the supercharger and I'm like, unlocked yet? Unlocked yet? And I'm like, wait a sec. If this thing had some malfunction and it wouldn't release, I can't. I'm here. I'm stuck here for a while.
Yeah. You're locked inside.
Yeah, it's just funny. I mean, it's different. It's definitely a piece of technology. And I will just say from personal experience that nothing like this has happened for me yet. Actually, the car rock solid. Outside of that one reset I had to do.